long before man reached the remote island of Iceland. A land of ancient ice caves, sprawling glaciers and pristine water, a massive volcanic eruption occurred, creating the Ulvus Spring, a majestic underground spring deep below the Earth's surface. For 5,000 years, water has filtered slowly through layers of lava rock, creating exceptionally pure and naturally alkaline water with a perfect mineral balance. Clean, crisp, and untouched, discover Iceland's greatest natural resource. Icelandic Glacier.